The directions say factor. Your goal is to change a sum from 3 things added together into a product of 2 things multiplied together. They'll be binomials. So as we use the guess and check method, here's the first thing we do. We remember all of our multiplication facts. 1 times 3 is the only way to make 3. But for 8, we have 2 choices, 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. So we're going to be guessing. My strategy is to pick this one first. I'm going to populate the binomial with +1 and +3, and that way I can make the OI of FOIL, the outer and inner term, add up to 14x. So I'm going to say +3 and +1. Do you see why I wrote plus? 2 numbers that multiply to be a positive number, and those 2 numbers add to be a positive number. Of course, they're going to be plus. Let's look at these 2 middle terms. These 2 things have to add up to 14x. So I'm ready to try to guess. Should I try 8? Oh, that's definitely not good because this term right here is way too big. Let me try guessing again. I'm going to try to think of 2 numbers that would add to be 14. How about the 4x here? That's 12x. That's getting me close to 14 without going over. The other factor is a 2x. That works. 2x times 4x is definitely 8x squared. 3 times 1 is definitely 3. The last thing we have to do is check that middle term. 3 times 4 is 12x. 2x times 1 is 2x. When they add together, it turns out to be 14x. This is our final answer from Guess and Check. So let's review again the strategy. You look at the first term and the last term, and you write all the possible ways to make it. If there's just one choice, that's a good place to start. The next thing we did is we looked at the signs and made sure that our binomials would have signs that would give those answers. And then we just guessed until we got the answer. If you look at the homework assignment, if you guessed wrong on the problem you were working on, it's probably going to be an answer for one of the other ones, so don't erase it. Try to match it to one of the questions. Okay? Give it a try.